5 Best Portable Air Pump for Car Tires 2024. 1. VacLife. This car tire air compressor offers fast inflation and simple operation, plugging into your car's 12V outlet and attaching to the tire valve for quick inflation. It features an auto shut-off function, allowing you to preset the desired pressure level, ensuring safety by automatically shutting off when the desired pressure is reached. Equipped with LED lighting for nighttime use and a long power cord, it provides convenience for both front and rear tires. Additionally, it includes multiple nozzles for various inflatables, but it's not suitable for larger vehicles with specific tire pressure and width restrictions. If used continuously for 10 minutes, it requires a 10-minute rest period for the machine. VIAIR. The VIAIR 400P RV automatic portable compressor offers a reliable solution for tire issues during road trips or emergencies. Featuring a built-in pressure cutoff sensor, it simplifies tire-to-tire transitions and quick pressure checks. Specifically designed for inflating tires up to 35-inch in diameter on RVs, trucks, Jeeps, and SUVs, it ensures peace of mind while on the road. Operating on 12 volts with a maximum working pressure of 150 psi and a 33% duty cycle, this compressor can inflate two 75/80/22.5 tires from 80 to 90 psi in just 30 seconds. The kit includes a heavy-duty carry bag for convenient portability and storage, eliminating the need to wait for roadside assistance or search for nearby gas stations in emergencies. Lasfit Signature. The Lasfit electric tire inflator pump offers ultra-fast inflation with precise accuracy. Inflating car tires swiftly from 29 psi to 36 psi in less than 1 minute, it uses an upgraded 26 mm air cylinder for 36 liters per minute airflow, 3 times faster than other cordless tire inflators, with a pinpoint precision of plus or minus 0.2 psi. This 2-in-1 cordless/12V DC tire inflator includes 7 800 mAh batteries and a 12V DC power cord, ensuring worry-free inflation. Its easy one-click operation with preset inflation modes and units simplifies usage. Equipped with additional kits and longer hoses, it's versatile for various applications and includes emergency features like LED lights and USB ports for phone charging, making it an ideal choice for emergency tire inflation needs. 4. AstroAI. The AstroAI tire inflator features tough ultra technology for enhanced durability, employing a revolutionary manufacturing technique for its core parts, boosting durability by 30%. Its programmable inflation allows setting desired pressure units and auto shutoff upon reaching the preset pressure. With a compact design, it easily fits into various spaces and is portable. The digital screen provides accurate readings and offers intuitive control with independent buttons. Equipped with a backlit screen and flashlight, this inflator ensures convenient use, even in low-light conditions. EMSON. The Bullseye Pro Tire Air Pump offers preset pressure settings with automatic shutoff upon reaching the desired pressure, featuring an LED screen displaying tire pressure and battery level. Capable of inflating a tire from 24 psi to 34 psi in under 2 minutes, it delivers 25 liters of air per minute. It comes with 2 chargers, a USB-type home charger and a car charger, providing versatility and convenience, and includes a carrying bag for easy storage. Equipped with powerful LED lights for illumination, it ensures accurate inflation even in darkness. Compact in size and lightweight, this portable air compressor features different measurement units, nozzle attachments, and a spare fuse, making it practical for various needs with dimensions of H 10.16 x W 3.15 and a weight of 1.9 pounds, complete with an on/off button for ease of use. Above are the top best products. I will put links to these products below the video description. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications to stay up to date with the latest reviews and comparisons.